Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 7 English textbook, summer pack and resource pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We will start our lesson from unit number 3, the winter sun. SLOs of this lesson are: use conventions and dynamics of group discussion and interaction to engage in conversation. Look at the page number 30 of your textbook. Let's listen and speak. Imagine snowman as a living person knocking at the front door. Make groups, and after effective brainstorming, develop a conversation with the help of the pointers below. Act out your dialogues in front of the class. This is here your snowman. Again, you have to personify this. You have to use the personification and you have to act like this snowman is a living person. You have to make a group, and after brainstorming, after thinking of the conversation you want to have with your partners, with your classmates, and act your dialogues in front of the class. What does he say? You have to cover all these questions. What does he want? What was the snowman wearing? Was he hungry or thirsty? How does he talk and act? What does he chew? What does he look? What does he look human? Was he feeling cold or hot? Was the snowman young or old? You have to cover all these questions in your dialogue. When you have a dialogue, when you have a conversation with your classmates or your group partners, you will ask or you will include all these questions here. You will not just ask question, you will have a conversation in which you talk about these things here, which I circled it for you. Again, you have to personify, you have to practice or apply the use of personification here. We have discussed and learned the concept of personification. We use personification in which we gave human characteristic to any non-living thing or object here. Here the snowman is an object here, non-living thing. But you have to act like that he is a living person. You have to imagine, because in this real world, this is not possible. This is imaginary. You know that the main purpose of figures of speech, personification, is to make the things funny, interesting, attractive to the readers. So you have to act like this, that this snowman is a living person here. You have to have a conversation, act your dialogue. This is your homework from summer pack. Write an essay on the following topic and tell from which SLO this question has been taken. Importance of trees here. I have told you your essay will be divided in 3 parts: introduction, the main body and the conclusion. You have to write essay on importance of trees here. You have to tell why the trees are so important, why there should be more trees in the world. Dear student, I hope you will do your homework very easily. Thank you.